Motormouth Jenkins here, welcoming you to our brand new YouTube channel. Hope that you'll come back and see every segment each and every week, and I will share preventative maintenance tips and regularly scheduled maintenance tips for your car. So whether you know a little bit about your car or absolutely nothing, this is the channel just for you, where I share over 35 years of experience as a qualified and licensed service technician with truck and coach, light truck and passenger vehicles. Come back and visit us and tell your friends, and we'll see you each and every week right here in the Car Connection Workshop on YouTube. Oh, there you are, Skippy. It's not Halloween or Boo at the Zoo yet, but we are on the Parkway in Fort Erie, just heading towards Chippewa, Ontario, Canada. Behind me is the river, Niagara River. So if you're watching this YouTube video, you may not have seen the Niagara River. Well, here it is. We got some fisher persons out there, and on the other side, to my left, your right, is Great Canadian geese. And a few of them are bums up right now, eating whatever it is that they eat, and we know what they leave behind. If you're lucky, we'll show you some. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by. We have a treat for you today, and we have a Car Connection challenge. Yes, we have been challenged to be at a tuner car show coming up August 24th of this specific year, 2025. So the challenge is, well, we didn't really have a tuner car. Our Beetle convertibles are more girly cars. We were told, Car Connection, you need to get a tuner car to the tuner car show. So we have one, and the challenge is we got to get it ready to go to the tuner car show in August. So come along with me. I'm going to introduce you to the Rocket, our 1999 Honda Civic DX, one owner, 1.6 liters of power, 5-speed, 2-door hatchback with air conditioning cold enough to hang beef in there. So with the help of Skippy, my assistant, the boat, boss, the boat. I'm over here. You're going the wrong way. All right, we're going to unlock it for you. Skippy's going to show you all the inside, and I'm going to talk about it because we've got some things we need to take care of in order to make the Rocket look real sweet. That's the original mileage. One owner, bought brand spanking new. And I want to say thank you to one of our longtime Car Connection listeners, Jillian. She knows who she is. Sold us this car, and we've been loving on her and taking care of her. Well, now we're going to clean it right up, detail it, and my friend Ray from Ray's Detailing is going to help us with that. But we need to change the headliner. The headliner is coming apart at the front. I have a headliner ready to go in. In fact, we might even show you a picture of this car as a twin. I happened to come across the exact same car in an automatic, identical, when I went harvesting parts for our TJ Wrangler rescue, and I got everything I needed out of it because our sun visors were burnt right off, and I managed to get 2 head visors. Our seat belts are a little bit lazy now, and I've got seat belts to go in, so we'll change the seat belts up while we're going to take the seats out, front and back, pull all the panels down to change the headliner. We're going to put a replacement rear view mirror on it because it is a little sloppy loose, and I managed to grab that when I was harvesting. But here she is in all her glory. And this car runs really, really well. It runs on a thimble of fuel. So you got a little cosmetic damage, but we're going to get that fixed. And we might be able to get it fixed before we get to the August 24th Tuner Car Show in Niagara Falls, Canada. So we're going to post where that car show is going to be so that if you want to come out and visit, you can. As you can see, the seatbelts are tired after, well, it is 1999. It's, what, 24 years old?
26.
Yeah? 26? Holy mackerel, we should have brought cake and ice cream. Yeah, so she's in really good shape. Normally I keep this thing mint, but I haven't driven it much in the last 12 months. I've actually lent it out more than I drove it myself. And it just needs, it's going to get a full Monty. It's going to look really good. So thank you to our good friend Ray at Ray's Detailing in Fort Erie. He's going to look after giving it the last bit of details after I get everything changed inside. And we're going to show you the project along the way. So you're going to get a chance to come along with us and watch what it takes to get this headliner out. And I got a story about how I took the headliner out of the exact same car. And I have some still photos that maybe Skippy can post along with this video. The exact car, same color, everything. And I harvested as much as I could. I was inside that car in Buffalo, New York at a U-Pull-It wrecking yard, and a tornado came through. And I was inside the car I was pulling all the parts out of, and the car is rocking like this, and I got the headliner, the sun visors, the rear view mirror, both seat belts, and I even got a spare wing to go on the top of the hatch as well, because that one has a tiny little rust nerdy on there. That's a technical term for something that doesn't belong, the nerdy. So the little rust nerdy, I'll point it out for you. It's right in the middle of nowhere, but I know why. There is a stud inside here because where the third brake light is. And they all seem to do the same thing. It pops up right there because there's a bracket in here, and there's a stud that sticks up. And you can see it's actually bulged out a little bit. But I got the same louver with the third brake light in it off that Harvest car. So you'll be shocked when you see the pictures of that car. It's this car over there in the wrecking yard, and it had just come in, and it was a shame to take it apart, but it was there to be harvested, so I took whatever I could. So stay with us and watch us turn our 99 Honda Civic DX into a real looker. And we have about 6 weeks to pull it off. We got about 6 weeks to get everything whooped into shape, cleaned, door jambs, all of it. So you're getting a look at it right now as we're seeing it, and we're going to show you the journey along the way. We'll give you a look under the hood as well, because it's got to be detailed. And we're on our way to 320,000 kilometers. So it's not bad under here. The air conditioning works super duper. But it's going to need a little more cleanup under here. I've already done it once, but I like the goo on there, especially for winter, because I do drive this car in the winter. But this year, I didn't use it much. Like I said, I lent it out more than I used it. So, yeah, it runs super well. Mechanically, the car's good. We got new brakes to go on the front. It's ready. We got a squealer happening on the brakes on the right side, so it's time to gut those out. So we're going to do front brakes complete. We need to change a tie rod boot on the passenger side outer tie rod that goes to the rack and pinion steering unit. We did the left side. I did that last year. So mechanically, that's all we need to do is just some new brakes on the front, a tie rod boot on the passenger side, and a cleanup, a complete cleanup. So we've got some work to do, and we're up for the challenge. And yeah, a little bit of history on the river and the falls was July the 9th was an anniversary of a young boy, 7 years old, John Woodward, Roger, not as in Ramjet or Rabbit. Roger Woodward in 1960 went over the falls, which is not far from where we are, and he lived after going over. 7 years old, 1960, over the falls, wearing a life jacket. That's it. And maybe a smile. We can't confirm that. But that happened right here in this river. If you decide to just follow it, it will take you over the falls. And that's Canada. We have the nice falls, the nicer falls. So Roger Woodward, 1960, over the falls in nothing but a life jacket on July the 9th, 1960. So a little bit of history while we're down here. Beautiful area. If you ever get a chance to, if you're in the U.S., come to Canada. Come to Fort Erie. We got lots of things to do here and to see. Lots of history here as well. And you can picnic along the entire river all the way to the falls. And you can visit Dufferin Island. That's a beautiful place to stop. There's the old hydroelectric plant is there. So much to do, right up to Clifton Hill, and beyond, and beyond. And the gorge, the thing that scared the pants off me, the Whirlpool cable car. Yeah, I only ever did that once. With my aunt and my uncle were here from England, and they wanted to do the cable car. And you might want to experience it, and you may not. But if you come and you want me to go with you, I'll watch you. I'll run the camera and get your pictures. So lots to do here in Fort Erie and around Niagara Falls, Canada. So stay tuned for the next edition of the Rocket, getting a complete makeover to take on the challenge of being at the Tuner Car Show, August the 24th in Niagara Falls, Canada. We will post the final details on that show, the address and everything. It's easy to get to. The location just off the QEW by Lions Creek Road, but we'll have all the details for you. So we'll see you in the next video as we transform the Rocket and give her a really good makeover. So till then, we'd like to thank City Auto Sales and Leasing, premier auto vehicle dealership in the Greater Toronto area. So they're our Car Connection premier pre-owned vehicle dealership in downtown Toronto. And let them know that Car Connection sent you. You can find them on our website at carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com. And when you stop by to visit Earl and Louise Grant, the owners, they'll treat you like family, so you can purchase with confidence and reliability, as well as low mileage vehicles at fair prices. Let them know Motormouth sent you from Car Connection. Don't forget to like, share, follow, give us a thumbs up on our videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when new videos come out every week, you're notified that they go up. And also like and follow us on Facebook at Niall Motormouth Jenkins. Visit us anytime at Stevensville on the web. You'll find us there, and we put up little snippets of videos at all those locations so that we give you a little hors d'oeuvre of what we're working on. And hey, what do you think of the new garb? We got our new uniforms. Check out the back. And they're going to be made available for you on our merch store, which is being put together so you can order direct, gets shipped right to you. So we'll keep you posted on that as well. The team is working on putting that online store together for us so that we don't have to deal with mailing out and orders and everything. You call, you order your size and everything, and it gets shipped directly to you. So we got a bunch of different merchandise coming in the future. So visit our website, carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com. Till then, keep it under 100 and put that coffee on, because we're coming to your house. Well, thank you for stopping by the Car Connection Workshop right here on YouTube. Don't forget to come back and join us for another segment. So like, share, tag, and follow, and ding that bell so that you don't miss a single edition of Car Connection. So till next time, keep it under 100 and put the coffee on, because we're coming to your house.